top headlines for the day.
Roadie contestant Bani J is known as a daredevil and a tattooed fitness freak. But a topless photo of the Bigg Boss 10 finalist has led us surprised. Bani looks super hot as she flaunts her torso, donning nothing but a long ethnic skirt and a chunky neck piece around her neck. Her wild mane has been let down, covering her bosom, and the diva looks oh so hot as she spreads her arms and stands on a single leg. Bani's entry into the Bigg Boss house was quite unexpected, as her mother doesn't seem to be quite impressed by the show. But finally, she seems to have made it, and quite far indeed, as she has survived for the entire season and is one of the finalists. While Bani competes with 3 other housemates, let us know what you think of a semi-nude photos going viral. After numerous controversies, ousters and a lot more, the Bigg Boss 10 show is finally reaching its logical conclusion with the grand finale, which is one of the most sought after events. The world waits with bated breath as the winner is announced, and the grand finale is a star-studded night. The guest list includes some of the biggest celebrities, and it seems that Greek god Hrithik Roshan too will be present at the finale episode to promote his film Kaabil. While fans have gone crazy after watching the revenge saga of a visually challenged husband, it seems that Hrithik does need the approval of host Salman, who was once his mentor. Now, this is some news. Won't it be interesting to see the 2 stars meet at the grand finale and make it a big event? Let us know by commenting in the section below. We do know that Salman is in Jodhpur for the case of the Black Buck, and we also know that he recently got out of Jodhpur jail case. However, the interrogation is on, and Salman said when asked about his religion that he's Hindu-Muslim, and then he said he's Indian. Along with Salman Tabu, Sonali Bendre and Saif Ali Khan also had attended the interrogation in the court. In the Jodhpur case, it was said that Salman had the license to use arms and therefore he was not using a non-licensed weapon. It is also said that the Black Buck died due to natural death and not due to the bullet fired from Salman's gun. Salman is one actor who brings Lord Ganpati home in spite of his religion and who believes in living in unity in diversity. He has always been contributing for a good social cause, and his Being Human Foundation has gone a step further by always embracing all forms of religion. So when Salman says that he is a Hindu, Muslim and Indian, he really means it, and we know that too well. His Bajrangi Bhaijaan is one such incident where he was shown to be a Hanuman Bhakt, so he truly believes in what he preaches. Right now, busy with his upcoming tube light, the Kabir Khan flick Salman. Salman has always been the icon for his fans, and with his reply to the question on his religion, he has only gone a step further. So what do you feel about Salman's take on the question on religion? Don't you believe that you are first Indian and then anything else? Do let us know.
Alia Bhatt and Varun Dhawan would come on the Coffee with Karan Season 5 to promote their Badrinath Ki Dulhania. The pair, who made it big in their debut movie Student of the Year, have gone separate ways and individually got accolades for all their performances. Alia recently also won the Best Actress award for her stint in Urta Punjab, and Varun Dhawan has already shown his mettle in movies like Badlapur. Coffee with Karan is a stage where people open out and they are themselves, and the season 5 has really proven to be a blast with the opening session of Alia and Shah Rukh Khan. Alia Bhatt again seen pairing with Varun on the show, and aren't we eager to see them both together? For both of them are open frank, and they really are out to prove that this is what Gen Next is all about. Varun Dhawan, with his spunk and charm that he always expresses, is sure to do well in the current show, and fans are eagerly waiting to see them on air. Badrinath Ki Dulhania is the sequel to Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania, with Varun and Alia taking fans by storm, and we sure are interested to know what they would do in the Coffee with Karan show season 5. Do let us know how you feel to see Alia and Varun together. Desi girl Priyanka Chopra is back with a bang, and she recently shared her latest Quantico teaser where she was seen promoting her Dawn co-star Shah Rukh's film Race. The teaser shows PC announcing that the Quantico episodes will be aired on Star World after a brief hiatus. Surprisingly, while PC makes the announcement, her colleagues blurt out, "Hum aa rahe hain," in a style which instantly reminds us of SRK's dialogue, "Aa raha hu main." This comes as a delight to all Indian fans who were eagerly waiting for the show to be aired on Indian television once more. The team has put in all efforts to master Hindi to connect with local viewers. Besides Quantico, Priyanka will also be making her debut in Hollywood with the very famous Baywatch film, where she will be sharing screen space with Dwayne Johnson, Zac Efron, Alexandria Daddario, and others. Aren't you excited to see Priyanka slowly edging her way to Hollywood? Share your excitement by commenting in the section. Recently, we had announced how international celebrity Jackie Chan had come to India to promote his upcoming film Kung Fu Yoga, which also features Sonu Sood. Salman Khan seems super excited for the film, as his good friend Sonu was a part of this prestigious venture, and he himself promoted the film by sharing the trailer on his Twitter handle. Jackie in turn reciprocated the gesture by promising to meet the Sultan while in India. And he did keep his word. Here we share some amazing pictures of Salman Khan along with his biggest fan Mateen, along with the entire team of Kung Fu Yoga. Mateen shares screen space with Salman in Tube Light, and he seems to have bonded well with the kid, who loves to tag along the Sultan wherever he goes. Take a look at these pictures and share your feedback on them by commenting in the section below.
कोई लड़ाई मतलब सब अरे गोली मारेगा इनको निकाल
Ajay Devgan and Salman Khan are still the thick of friends despite rumors, and it was a very special moment when the Singham met the tiger. Filmmaker Milan Luthria shared this wonderful picture from the sets where the three were clad in blue and looked super cool as they posed for the paparazzi. Salman Khan, who was in Jodhpur for the hearing of his black buck poaching case, made it a point to visit the sets of his close buddy Ajay Devgan, and the two had a gala time chatting with each other. Despite having a busy schedule, the two along with Milan were seen taking a much needed break as they relaxed from the grinds of their routine work and deadlines. Salman looked interested in hearing about the progress of the film, which is all set to release on 10th March 2017. When the Sultan takes interest in a venture, it is surely going to be worth watching. Don't you think so? Let us know by commenting in the section below.